guys. Feeling pretty wiped out today, so just gonna take it easy. But first exercise is front squat on the machine. Feel like I get a great contraction, not so much pressure on my back, so let's go. I said I was going to take it easy, but couldn't help myself. Right guys, second exercise, the supine press. Gonna go for a triple drop set. I'm pretty ruined already. You can see sweat's pouring off my face. Not great, but let's give it a go. That shit is nasty. That is how you get conditioned. You go for it, no holding back. Right guys, gotta keep the intensity up, straight in, walking lunges, let's go.
I'll be down for ya. You told me to be gone in the morning. Don't worry, you won't hear a sound from me. I promise to be gone in the morning. I promise to be gone in the morning. I promise to be gone in the morning. I said, baby, I'll be down for ya. You told me to be gone in the morning. Gone, promise, I said, gone, promise in the morning. Gone, promise, I said, gone, promise in the morning. Gone, promise, I said, gone, promise in the morning. Gone, promise, I said, gone, promise in the morning. Gone, promise, I said, gone, promise in the morning. Gone, promise, I said, gone, promise in the morning. Gone, promise, I said, gone, promise in the morning. Gone, promise, I said, gone in the morning.
Right guys, next exercise is going to be leg extensions on my final set now, and as I did my shoulders, I'm going to perform a NOS set, which is a neurological overload set. So we're going to hit set, hold for 20, drop the weight 3 times, let's see how it goes. I'm sure it'll be a nasty pump. So as you can see, it's pretty nasty. I actually added in one last heavy set because I didn't get the reps I wanted on the second set, so had to make up for it, guys. Make sure you don't hold back, go for it. Right guys, back on another variation of leg press. This type of set I like to call the torture set, whereby we do 5 slow reps, 5 quick reps, 5 slow reps, alternating between those slow, fast twitch muscle fibers to make sure that everything gets hit and we're completely fatigued. So let's go. nationals. I'm gonna make it happen, trying my hardest, and that's all you can do. Just be the best you can be. Right guys, mainly quad based today, but we're gonna spit in one exercise for hamstrings, and what I like to do is a lying hamstring curl. I feel like I can get a great squeeze in it, so let's go. Through your hamstring rather than through your glutes and back. If you start to fail, you can grip the bottom. Right guys, as a men's physique competitor, the only part they actually get judged on is my calves, so this is where we've got to make it count. My top tips, when you're performing the calf raise, you've got to make sure that you're putting the pressure on the inside of your feet, through your big toe. You don't want to feel like you're pressing through your toes though, you want to feel like you're actually raising your ankles to the back of your knees, and you get a great squeeze like that. It's all about focusing on the contraction and holding the squeeze guys, give it a go. Right guys, just managed to waddle my way back to the car, but there are a few things actually I just wanted to address. You saw at the beginning of the video that I really wasn't feeling it today. I was really tired, you know. I actually spoke to my mentor Paul Burgess and I said to him, I'm going to need a refeed today because I'm feeling pretty out for the count. But what I want to do is I just want to thank everybody who comments and likes all my videos, because you guys are what motivate me. I mean, I went in today and I thought, you know what, I'll just go through the motions, but I thought, you know what, no, I can't, otherwise I'll be letting you guys down, you know. I'm 8 weeks out from the nationals and I'm gonna bring my best package, so you know, we can't have bad days, you know. I just want to show you guys that, you know, it's not easy, you know. It is, I have to work really hard to be in this condition, but that's part of the parcel, you know. You can't be the best unless you take yourself out of your comfort zone. So I just wanted to let you guys know that you really do have to push yourself at times, and yes, it can be hard, but it's also enjoyable, because you know, once you've done it, I can't now, I feel absolutely brilliant. And yeah, so I just want to thank you guys for liking and just giving me the comments, because you guys are my motivation and I just don't want to let you guys down. So until next time guys, peace out.